of fruit is cut with mathematical precision. As the sun rises over the fields, the morning's harvest begins its journey to the market.
Back it up slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right. Okay, hold it right there.
The stainless steel blades slice the papaya length, revealing the vibrant orange flesh. A dramatic macro close-up captures the cinematic applause of it.
The journey of the Maradol papaya begins here, meticulously halved and ready for inspection.
Every papaya is checked, cut, and cleaned with extreme precision, so quality stays consistent from the very first stage.
The perfectly peeled papaya, its creamy orange flesh glowing under the bright white inspection lights of this ultra-clean stainless factory environment. The high-speed dicer ensures that every piece of fruit is cut with mathematical precision, maintaining the highest standards of uniformity and hygiene.
This tunnel ensures a sterile journey. As the cans approach the retorts, workers meticulously inspect every batch before high-pressure sterilization.
This sterilization step protects the papaya, extends shelf life, and keeps every sealed can safe for consumers.
The steam release signifies the completion of the sterilization process, ensuring the safety and freshness of the papaya inside. Here in the heart of the facility, massive centrifuges spin the fruit into a dense, swirling vortex of rich orange pulp.
Deep within the factory, massive industrial mixers churn the vibrant papaya puree, creating a thick, swirling vortex.
Elfensullinger.
Tapping heads seal the vibrant papaya blend at incredible speed.
Our papaya smoothie line is designed for speed. but we never sacrifice texture, flavor, or hygiene.
The elegant machine choreography ensures every papaya smoothie is packed with satisfying precision, a testament to modern automation.
The automated conveyor system ensures a steady flow of our papaya smoothies, soon to be stacked by the robotic arms.
This marvel of engineering, the AI-driven palletizer, handles the delicate papaya products with powerful, precise movements.
We need that pallet cleared now.
Almost done. Move the papaya smoothies next.
From harvest to shipping, every papaya product follows a controlled path built for freshness, safety, and consistency.
The assembly line ensures a perfect blend of tropical flavor in every cup.
Advanced food preservation technology ensures the vibrant color and crisp texture of the papaya are maintained through the dehydration process.
The freeze-drying process preserves the vibrant color and creates the uniquely crispy, satisfying texture that you see cascading into the bins.
Papaya can become canned fruit, smoothies, snacks, and desserts, all from one highly coordinated production system.
The scale of modern agriculture is perhaps best seen here, where technology meets the vibrant harvest of the papaya.
With balletic precision, these advanced robotic arms transfer the delicate fruit, showcasing the future of industrial automation. The black papaya seeds are efficiently separated through the stainless screens, ensuring a zero-waste process. Advanced recycling systems handle the organic waste, moving the papaya peels to be transformed into nutrient.
The probes are reading stable up here? Confirmed. Data matches the baseline exactly. We are good to proceed.
Experience the exquisite taste of our premium golden papaya, hand-selected and sealed for freshness.
Strong symmetry and polished precision define the journey of the finished papaya products through the factory.
The same papaya harvest can be transformed into many different products, each one following its own precise process.
Experience the vibrant taste of freshly blended papaya, crafted with care in our state-of-the-art facility.
Quality control is not a single checkpoint. In papaya production, it happens continuously, from raw fruit to finished packaging.
Delivering the freshest papayas from our fields to your table every sunrise.
From smoothies to snacks, these shelves move 24/7, delivering fresh papaya directly to retailers worldwide.
We return to the source, where the rich soil yields its sweetest fruit.
A great papaya product begins long before the factory. It starts in the field with timing, care, and careful selection. Modern papaya manufacturing combines agriculture, engineering, and strict hygiene into one continuous system built for scale.
From this vantage point, the sheer scale of the papaya production is breathtaking, a testament to modern efficiency.